How do I restore my email inbox? If you've accidentally deleted an important email and are wondering how to get it back, you're in the right place. Let's go through the steps to restore your email inbox, depending on the email client you're using. First, let's talk about Gmail. If you've deleted an email in Gmail, you can usually find it in the trash folder. To do this, log into your Gmail account and navigate to the trash folder. Here, you can search for the deleted email using keywords, the sender's name, or the subject. Once you've found the email, open it and click on the Move to Inbox or Move To option to restore it to your inbox. Remember, Gmail's trash folder is emptied every 30 days, so act quickly. If the email is no longer in the trash, you can use Google's Message Recovery tool. Go to the Help Center, confirm your account information, and Google will scan for deleted emails from the past 30 days. For Microsoft Outlook users, the process is similar. Launch Outlook and go to the Deleted Items or Trash folder. Use the search bar to find the deleted email, then right-click on it and choose Move Other Folder to return it to your inbox or another folder. If you're using Apple Mail, open the app and go to the Trash folder. Use the search bar to find the deleted email by entering specific details. Once you've found it, select the email and click Move To restore it to the desired folder. For users of the Spike email app, open the app and locate the Trash or Deleted Items section. Use the search function to find the deleted email, and once found, click on the email and choose the Restore option to move it back to the inbox. In some cases, especially for business users on Microsoft 365, you might need to use more advanced tools. For example, you can use Exchange Online PowerShell to recover deleted messages. This involves connecting to Exchange Online, searching for the missing items, and then restoring them using the Restore Recoverable Items commandlet. This method is particularly useful if you need to recover emails that are no longer in the trash folder. To avoid losing emails in the future, make sure to organize your inbox regularly. Use filters to sort incoming emails and archive or delete old emails that are no longer needed. This will help you stay organized and reduce the likelihood of accidentally deleting important messages. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your email inbox and recover any important emails you might have deleted. Remember to act quickly, especially if you're using Gmail, to ensure you don't miss the 30-day window for recovering deleted emails.